Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics, a supported Samsung device and latest One UI. First, open Settings and search Control Center to confirm it's installed. If not, install or update from the Galaxy Store. Once done, grant the app necessary permissions, allow notifications so toggles reflect system state, enable accessibility features for quick actions, and accept any device admin prompts. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for relevant controls to appear. Now you're ready to open Control Center Open Control Center and tap the edit or pencil icon to start customizing. This is where you add, remove, and reorder toggles. Drag controls into your preferred sequence and long press an item to access deeper settings or link to the app's detail page. Use grouping to place media, connectivity, and smart home tiles together so you find them faster. Once arranged, set visibility options for always on display and lock screen access. This ensures the right controls show when you need them and remain hidden when you don't. Pull down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Practice common gestures like two-finger swipe for full panel and long press for advanced actions. Use the split media player to manage multiple audio sources and employ quick toggles for one-touch tasks such as hotspot or mobile data. If a control disappears or behaves oddly, clear the Control Center cache, force stop the app, or reset its layout in settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone and recheck permissions. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.